What's up, beautiful
What's
people?
up, guys?
It is our spring break today.
Oh my gosh.
And we are actually about to head out of town in just a minute. We're really excited. We have a fun trip that we're going on, and we have to pick up the girls in East Tennessee, and then we're gonna be heading up to New York for a really, really fun thing. We'll explain more about that in a little bit, but we're over at the house build right now. We're trying to tie up a few loose ends before we leave town for the next few days. Linky here is getting a little sleepy.
He is tired. He's ready for the
I think he might take a nap in the car as we drive. You wanna say hi? Say hi, friends. Yeah. He is sleepy. But before we leave town, we wanted to give you an update on the house because we've had some very exciting things happening. I don't know if you can tell, but the house is painted.
Oh my gosh.
And there's some exciting stuff on the inside as well. So we want to take you inside and just show you the next couple of weeks are very busy. I know we've said that a lot of times, but the next couple of weeks, we have a lot of the interior that's going to be completed. Yeah. The cabinets are going in, the flooring's going in the next few days. Oh, thank you, Ethan. He got me a little flower, guys. That's so cute. Oh, I love you so much. Perfect way to start spring break.
Oh my God.
So let me take you inside real quickly, show you around, and give you an update on what's coming up next. Also, Liam's birthday is coming up in a few days, and so you're gonna celebrate that while we're in New York, which is fun. So we went ahead and gave him some of his gifts. Like one of the main ones he really wanted was some fishing gear. To go fishing in the creek. You love to do that, and so we got like a tackle box with like all of the gear. What do you call tackle gear?
Bobbers, right here, hooks, and weights.
Weights, yeah, all the things you need to catch some fish in the creek.
Except for the worms.
Yeah.
Yeah, the boys.
I already have a bucket of worms.
Yeah.
You have a bucket of worms?
Yeah.
There's a string.
Nice.
That's what you put in your fish's mouth so that you can keep all the fish together.
That's cool. So the boys are definitely going to have some fun fishing when we get back, but that's pretty cool.
Catch me big fish.
Do you like it?
Yes, definitely.
So actually, at the beginning of last week, they came through and they cleaned out the entire property. It was looking super sharp and wonderful. And then they started doing all the drywall. And so the yard is full again of all the drywall rubble. But it's okay, because it's good progress. It's indicative of progress. So we're excited.
I want to take you inside, but also I wanted to show you the way that the exterior paint turned out, because we had you guys vote
so good.
over on Instagram. We had 3 different samples. The 2 were kind of closer, like more of a true white or like an off-white, and then the 3rd one is a little bit more of a creamy color.
Yeah.
The overwhelming majority of you guys voted for the cream color, which we love too. We were leaning towards that as well.
It was absolutely our favorite.
Yeah, and so we went ahead and went with that color, and I think it looks so good.
It looks amazing.
Aw. Lincoln's like, can I come too, Dad?
Come on.
You want to come too?
We're on time.
You gonna walk across the board? They're about to lay like a herringbone, it just rained really hard, so there's like a lot of water here, but they're about to lay like herringbone brick on here, and so that's gonna look really nice on the front porch. But look at how good this color turned out. I love that it's more of a cream color. The doors are gonna eventually be black, and we're gonna have like some brushed bronze handles, and
this is gonna be an actual gas lantern.
Yeah, we'll have lanterns on the outside.
So cool.
And I love the way that the wood accents over the windows look with the cream color and then the black windows. I just think it all looks so nice. So I'm really glad to see it coming together and turning out the way that we had hoped for it to turn out. I don't know if I mentioned this in any of the other videos, but the way that we did the floor plan in this house, you guys know we had this little tiny small house that was existing that we had to basically demolish almost completely, and we had to kind of work within that framework because we couldn't really extend to the back because there's a sloping hill there, and our contractor said that would be super expensive to go that direction, but we needed a lot more square footage, so we went out this way and then obviously added another level. But I freehand drew that. Like I had it in my mind, like what I wanted it to look like and how much space we needed. And I remember just like kind of sketching it out on a piece of paper. And so there have been a lot of nerves and a little bit of anxiety for me kind of seeing this come to life and hoping that it's gonna actually turn out the way that I was hoping for it to turn out, and that it would actually look really good and that there weren't gonna be any like major mistakes or any costly errors. So to see the outside looking really beautiful and now the inside coming together, I can just kind of breathe a sigh of relief because it didn't actually turn out terrible. Like when you dream something up and you have it in your mind, to see it actually coming together is really cool. So I'm gonna take you inside now and show you what's going on in there. So here we are, we have walls, guys. We have drywall and windows, obviously, and so many beautiful things.
And a deck.
And the deck is getting started. They said they're gonna finish this in like 2 days, which is kind of surprising. I didn't realize you could build a deck that quickly, but it extends out pretty far. Let's see if I can you slide that door?
Yeah.
Thank you, Penelope. So out here is gonna be a pretty large size deck. We're gonna have like our dining table over here where it's open, and then this covered space is going to have a screened-in porch, and we're gonna have a fireplace here. That's what they're about to build in the next day or two. But the fireplace here, and it does go down here. We're gonna have a fireplace down below as well, with our hot tub overlooking the creek. So that's gonna be really cool. But yeah, so we'll have some outdoor space and then some covered screened-in space as well. And then it does extend out this way. The laundry room doors over here, so it's gonna extend out that way, and we'll have steps down that way as well. But I really love these sliding doors. I can just picture us like leaving that open all the time with good weather.
Especially on days like this.
I know, it feels glorious, Thinky. He's happy boy, but he's tired too. Yeah. So they have been like just finishing up all of the drywall the past few days because the flooring is supposed to be going in this week.
Yeah.
And the cabinets are scheduled to go in this week.
Floors, tile.
The tile, yeah, will be right after that.
Yeah.
So one thing that they haven't done yet, because we were waiting for the fireplaces to come in, so the drywall people had to just go ahead and do this, but they're gonna have to cut it out, and we're gonna have a big fireplace right here. So that will probably be this week as well.
Yeah.
And I'm really excited about that, to have a nice big fireplace to all gather around, right, Linky? He's like, just let me take a nap, Mom. Here's what the dining space is looking like currently, and the kitchen area, and this is where our big island is gonna be, and our nice big refrigerator over here, and then our pantry space is gonna be in here, and we've got something fun that they're gonna be working on in there for us. And then we'll show you upstairs once the flooring comes in. But I did want to show you just kind of how some of these spaces have turned out, because I really like this. They're going to be building like a little, mudroom here for the kids to hang their jackets and shoes and all of that, and a little half bath in my laundry room here. I'm really excited about this. We're going to have a sink here that kind of is under the window, and then this is going to be great space for us to be able to come in and out from the backyard and not have to make so much of a mess. The kids can take their shoes off here, or if they're all muddy and stuff, they can kind of drop their clothes here in the laundry room before they head inside. And so I'm excited about this space. Another space that I'm really excited about is the master bathroom. We have like a really big walk-in shower that's gonna be right here, and a freestanding tub, and I'm gonna have my own little vanity space. I'm really excited about this. I've never had one. An area to kind of get ready. We're gonna have a desk area right here for me to do my makeup and just get ready. And I've wanted one of those for so many years, and so being able to like kind of draw it up and have one of those is really exciting.
It's pretty sweet.
But, and then Steven and I are sharing a closet, and it was really
share a room. Like, we have to share a room, so
yeah.
if we're gonna share a room, we should probably share a closet.
Yeah, unfortunately we have to share a room, but we were just going through with the trim guide the other day and kind of building out the pantry and the closets, and I'm really excited. This is gonna be a really fun kind of customized space for Steven and I, but we even have a little window here so you can get a good view of the creek from every room. But what would you say you are most excited about in this house?
Well, I'm really excited about this room right here. This is gonna be the study slash like podcasting studio slash office. Where I do a lot of my work from slash maybe a nap room for the nursery baby.
I was like, a nap for you or a nap for
nap room? Well, sure, for me too, yeah. Yeah, absolutely for me too. Like, I think this would be a great room to take a nap in.
Oh my gosh. We were talking about if we do end up having another baby, because you guys know we are actually trying for one. But if we do, then this would actually be a great little nursery space, because it's right here connected to the master bedroom.
Yeah.
So it can be an office for us, and then that could be kind of dual purpose for a while if we need it to be. But it's such a pretty room. I love that it's got windows like all around here, and it's just gonna be really, really fun. So. So I think that's about it for the house update today, guys, because we need to get on the road and head out for spring break. But when we get back in town, there are gonna be a lot of new changes as well, so we'll bring you along for all of that. But for now, let's get going. Okay, guys, who's ready for spring break?
Hey.
Woo! Let's go. we made it to our vacation spot and we're really excited. We're really tired because we've been basically traveling for the past couple of days. But the kids did really, really well. Lincoln did really well. You were so good too, Ethan.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you boys.
We're just tired.
I know. We're having a little bit of a rest time. Really, especially with the little kids, just trying to kind of take it super easy today and chill. And that's kind of the whole thing that we want to do this week, is just to really take it easy and focus on relaxing with the family and celebrating. My mom's with us and she just had her 60th birthday. So we're going to be kind of doing a little belated celebration for her, and Liam's birthday's this week and Kira's is a couple days after that. And so wanting to just really focus on family time and taking it easy. Not a whole lot on the agenda.
For sure.
But I love it that way, so it's gonna be really fun. We are near the beach, so we're gonna go to the beach, and there's some cool shops and stuff, and so it's just gonna be a fun little week getting to relax. But these guys are so good. You were such big boys. You sleeping? He's like, no, I'm not. I'm not sleeping. Shopping area. You guys are all bundled up cute. The wind's a little chilly. We just finished some birthday photos for this guy who is turning 15 tomorrow. Crazy. Our children are going. I'm gonna cry. But we're over at the beach here.
Don't cry, you're gonna make me cry.
Don't make me cry. And there's these cool cliffs and stuff. And
the cliffs of insanity!
Hurry up!
Hurry up!
It's really cold though. It's like really windy. It wouldn't be that bad, but it's really windy, so it feels like super, super cold. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sonny. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
I think Lincoln tried to blow it out too.
He's like, I want to blow this out. You want to blow that one out, Lincoln? Be careful.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will